Welcome to Omni Hub AI. Imagine if you don't need 10 different tabs for Chat GPT, Midjourney, a PPT generator, and a video generator. This is a Swiss Army knife of AI where you can do multiple things in one place. So this is powered by entire Gemini ecosystem. We first move to an Omni Studio. This is the main tool of our app. So this is an analyze image. You can upload an image and you can get the required instructions output. Magic edit, you can generate a retro filter or remove background. We have used Gemini 2.5 Flash. This is screenshot to code. This is an video analysis. This is a smart chapter. We have added audio intelligence. You can enter text, it will generate a speech. This is transcription. You can upload an audio, it will generate a transcription of this meeting architecture. And we have multimodal translator using Google Gemini 3.0 Pro. It does support multimedia files, PDF, video. It will generate a targeted language. We does support this many languages. So there is a generative suite as well. Presentation AI, topic to PPT. You can upload it. PDF to PPT, video to PPT, and you can design template as well using our AI. This is in PDF intelligence where you can do tools and with the PDF to doc to Excel, it's an editor, watermark remover. Similarly, like I love PDF. This is text to Excel. You can mention the requirement sales between BMW and Mercedes. So it will generate an Excel. This is quiz generated. I have downloaded it successfully. This is quiz. You can generate a quiz. Geography quiz. And then we have web intelligence. We do have code analyst, SQL helper. Back to home page, we have Omni chat where you can upload a multiple files like PDF, video, image. Then you can chat with that video. For example, I can upload a video and I can chat with it. So after successful upload, you can chat with that video. Video about. And you can compare the PDF as well. I have added a compare option. Fast grounding using live updates. It will generate the output for you. Just a second, it is processing the video. Apart from this, I have added live interaction with Gemini, and we have added VO video, but you can generate videos with that, and it does support an URLs. For example, you can analyze a YouTube video URL as well from here. You can paste in YouTube URL, then it will generate you. See, successfully generated. So I can ask him the questions, and he will reply about it. You can upload PDF as well. So we are using multimodal RAG here. We have live voice, real-time low latency. We can speak with our native language in this model. That's all. Thank you.